1 to 5 increase in Contra Angle long screw type full uni takedown and repair. Disassembly procedure. Unscrew the long screws at the bottom by screwdriver. Remove the head. Remove the drive shaft with tools. Take out the rear cover and the core. Unscrew the large nuts with tools. Remove the base. Take out the drive shaft with pliers. Assembly procedure. Apply a circle of lubricant to the core unit's sealing ring. Align the core unit's positioning point with the slot of the head cover. Then gently insert the core. Reattach the rear cover and drive shaft, then tighten. 2 situations for installing the inner liner and drive shaft. Scenario 1. If the water tube is properly positioned, assemble the base and drive shaft into the handpiece body. Scenario 2. If the water tube is misaligned, adjust the water tube position with tweezers. Then clamp the tube to insert the drive shaft. After placing the shaft, use tweezers to push it fully in. Inject lubricant into the air and water holes of the base. Insert the lubricated into the handpiece body. Screw the nuts into the body and secure with tools. Lubricate the body's sealing ring. Then press the assembled head into the body until it snaps shut. Rotate the bird to check. If then drive shaft turns, free rotation indicates successful assembly. Install the screw onto the body. Check again if the internal transmission shaft turns smoothly.